Hi everyone, it's time for the July farm tour. Today is July 6th. It's a Saturday and it's a beautiful day again. We've got some hot temperatures last week. Now it's around 30, so that's a bit better than 36, but we can't complain. I'm here with my plum tree. As you can see, it has some plums, but not as much as last year. A lot of the fruit trees have had some troubles because we had a lot of rain. It was too wet for too long. So it's not a very good year, but still we have some fruits. We have some plums, the fig trees are doing fine, and I have some apples as well, as you can see. These are the 3 eucalyptus trees that had cut down last year or the year before. I'm not sure which year, but they're back. The fig trees are doing very good. They have a lot of figs at the moment. We have about 15 fig trees, I think, and most of them are looking like this with a lot of fruit. The vineyard is looking okay. It could have been better, I think. It looked better last year, but we have grapes, so we'll see how it develops. Kaki fruit is looking good as well. There's a lot of fruits. Last year I found another one on the first field, and that one also has a lot of fruit. It's a smaller one than this one. this is my potato field. I had already harvested 2 of them because he needed potatoes, and they were, well, they were not so big yet and not so many. I think about 3 or 4 potatoes each. So I need to water them. And I got a tomato plant from one of my neighbors. I got 2, but only 1 survived. And these were very late. I planted them all at the same time, but they're not as far as the other ones. And here nothing came up. And here is my melon. Look at that. I have a lot of melons already. Let me see, where are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a nice one. And then there are some more on this side. Let me see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I think there was another one hanging there, but I can't find it right now. So that's not bad. At least 14 melons for now. And I think I will get some more, because I also see a lot of new small young fruits. My sunflower forest is a bit sad. It needs a lot of water, and I haven't watered them today. I'm gonna do it now. But some of them are already done, and other ones are still flowering, blossoming, and growing. This one is done. And none of them became like 3 meters. I think the biggest one is, well, not even bigger than me, and I'm 1.5. Maybe that one is bigger than me. The vegetables in my raised beds need a lot of love. I do have a pimenta and grass, cucumbers, lettuce that needs to be harvested, and I think I'm gonna do some new lettuce, a lot of weeds, a lot of cucumbers. It's even growing on the other side. That was my intention, to let it grow on the fence, but it went down instead of up, of course. And this one is gonna be hard to harvest. Ooh, that's a nice one. This one can be harvested as well. There's one behind. So a lot of cucumbers here as well. Oh, and on this side. I do have some more bell pepper plants, but they are a bit fighting with the cucumber. So I think I'm gonna try if I can move them to another place. Let's see if they will survive that. A lot of leek, but I got one out the other day, and that didn't go as planned because I can show you. It's a really tiny one. They're all nice and big, but they are not long. So, lesson learned for next time. And I had a whole lot of cabbage which has all been eaten by some caterpillars. In this one I had 7 pointy cabbage, none of them has survived. And here I have 2 broccoli left from the 7. So we will have 2 broccolis this summer. Carrots, let me see what they look like. I think, no, they're not done yet. I need to take my onions out. So also lesson learned for the carrots. Need to do some, I don't know how you call it in English, but I need to make sure that it's not all so close together, because I probably will have very tiny carrots. Cactus, another cactus, and these are plants that I planted from seeds. I moved a couple of them today to the new seating area. This one I got from my friend Emigreren. I moved this one as well, but I didn't like the place where I put it, so I put it back. Let's hope it will recover. Unfortunately, I forgot to water the beans for a couple of days, so I don't think they will make it anymore. I can plant some new ones, and let's see how it develops. Look at my lovely pool lights. And a sneak preview of our seating area. thank you for watching again. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and everything that will help our channel grow. This was episode 99, so stay tuned for episode 100. Bye.